In this problem, we are solving a system of nonlinear equations. To solve this system, the easiest method would be to use the elimination method, where we right away can add the two equations together and have one of our variables be eliminated. So if we add equation 1 to equation 2, we will get 5x squared equals 25. Now if I divide both sides by 5, I would have x squared is equal to 5. And using the square root property, I have x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5. So the x coordinates of my solutions will be a positive square root of 5 and a negative square root of 5. So I need to find the corresponding y coordinate that goes with positive square root of 5 and the corresponding y coordinate that goes with negative square root of 5. Now if I plug in positive square root of 5 back into equation 1, I will have the quantity of the square root of 5 squared plus y squared is equal to 9. And if I solve this equation, I'm going to get 5 plus y squared is equal to 9. And if I subtract 5 from both sides, I will get y squared is equal to 4. And using the square root property again, I'm going to get y is equal to plus or minus 2. So what we found out was if I substitute in positive square root of 5, two numbers came out. So that means that for positive square root of 5, I'm going to pair it with a 2. And for positive square root of 5, I'm also going to pair it with a negative 2. So I got two solutions for the positive square root of 5. Now we need to find the solutions when x is equal to negative square root of 5. So plugging in negative square root of 5 into the first equation, we get negative square root of 5 squared plus y squared is equal to 9. And when we simplify that, our next line, 5 plus y squared equals 9, is exactly the same line that we have when we substitute in the positive square root of 5. So in other words, we're going to get the same solutions for y when we substitute in this negative square root of 5 as we did when we substituted in that positive square root of 5. So we'll have y is equal to plus or minus 2. So with negative square root of 5, we'll pair it with a 2, and negative square root of 5, we'll pair it with a negative 2. So for this particular problem, we had four solutions.